Narratologists, or those who study how narratives are constructed, have recently begun exploring how storytelling can employ not only the common first or third persons, but also the first-person plural mode, the we narrative. An example of how we narratives are used in digital media is a Norwegian teen drama series called Skam, which via multi-platform storytelling and judicious use of social media became wildly popular and gave its viewers a unique experience. Skam explored the lives of teenagers, focusing on issues such as mental illness, drug abuse, sexual harassment, homosexuality, and Islamophobia. But unlike a traditional TV series, it employed narrative techniques that positioned the viewer's world and fictional world as temporally matched mirror images of each other, blurring the fourth wall. First, Skam was released by matching the timing of the events in an episode with the time in the real world. That is, episodes were collations of snippets of daily events released on the show's website that kept a constant buzz going. Second, the fictional characters had social media accounts through which they interacted with each other and with folks in the real world while the show was running, thereby involving viewers in their fictional world events. Some of the actors also interacted with fans from their personal social media accounts, becoming part of the discussion and community surrounding the show. In addition, these social media conversations were acknowledged by the show and included in the story world in subsequent episodes. Finally, in its most explicit use of the we narrative, the series ends with a speech by a character who says, "Nobody is ever alone," while addressing not only his fellow characters but the viewers as well, as visuals include real-life social media comments by viewers. Elegantly applying elements of the we narrative and social media behavior, Skam imparts a sense of hope and highlights its key message by not just telling its story to its viewers, but enacting it collectively with them, in the end, leaving everyone with each other.